Hello everyone, I'm very happy to meet you all in another bookmark making video. Here is a bookmark base, the tussle, and let us start dotting on this bookmark base. So what I'm going to do is, I drew circles as a guideline for me to dot on it. So there are 3 sets of circles here. So in each set in the center, I'm going to keep a golden dot. Around this golden dot, I'm going to keep tiny golden dots again. Now I'll keep 8 white dots around this golden dots. Now I'll keep 2 tiny white dots in between. In the outermost circle, I'm going to keep golden dots in all the 3 sets of circles here. Now I'll keep tiny golden dots here. Now I'll keep 3 white color swipes here. I'm sure all of you loved this bookmark video and thank you for watching this.